What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to reset a service reminder. 2016 Mitsubishi Mirage. Just match the instrument cluster dash to your car. There are a lot of online videos on YouTube, especially where they tell you to put the ignition on, and then they say to cycle through this using this toggle here until you get to, some of them say this one here where it's got the KMs down the bottom, others say to this one. But for some reason, this specific vehicle, I'm in Australia, it doesn't work. It doesn't do anything when you hold it down. That spanner's meant to flash for some reason. So it doesn't do it in the on position with the engine off. It doesn't do it when the engine's on. So what I found actually is you have to flick back to accessory for some reason. And then you toggle through this just the same as you would the others. You press and hold. And now the spanner's flashing for some reason in accessory position, and that's how it's cleared. So I'm not sure why that is, but anyway, if you're in Australia or if you're having trouble following the other tutorials online on how to do this, give that a shot. Put it in accessory, and then just follow the normal procedure as normal. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.